Close your eyes for a second. Picture a small, curious museum in your chest. The lights are low, a guide waits and smiles. That guide is called Public Health. Tonight, Public Health will whisper secrets about pleasure, safety, and the names that make conversations easier and, frankly, sexier. You walk into the first room. On the wall, a map of Maine. Penis, scrotum, testicles. On the other side, vulva, clitoris, labia, majora, labia, minor, vagina. You run your fingers along the labels like a traveler, learning a new language. Funny thing, knowing a name makes it less mysterious and more inviting. Say clitoris out loud.
Feel a tiny chart?
That's not a bad thing. Names give you power. The power to ask, to describe, to request. They make consent and pleasure real. Public health, reason. Words are tools. It says, like a good condom, they protect. We laugh, then we listen. There are things that feel private, but also public, like how we care for our body. Vaccines that stop HPV, regular tests that catch surprises early. Clean hands before touching, condoms and dental dam that lower risk while you explore. These are practical steps, but they are also seductive in their promise. Less worry, more focus on the moment. Now the guide brings out two people on a bench, a pair of adults, both slightly nervous, both excited. They practice a conversation. I like when you call my labia by name. I'd love to know what feels best for you. Short sentence, create consent. It's not dull. It's electric. Consent isn't stiff. It's an invitation, a rhythm, a mutual yes that builds trust, and trust builds hotter moments later. Public health shows a hall of stories. Real, messy, human. Someone shares how they asked for an STI test before getting intimate and felt more attractive after. Another speaks about getting the HPV vaccine at 26 and breathing easier. One person admits they learned to enjoy touch only after learning anatomy words and asking their partner gently to guide them. These are tiny revolutions. They are also practical moves that make dating safer and more enjoyable. We walk past a window and see tools. Lube, condoms, a clinic sign, a calendar for tests. Tools are not boring. They are permission, slips for play. Lube reduces friction and lets you stay in the moment. Condoms let you decide to take risks differently. Clinics and counselors are maps if you get lost. Knowing where to go is part of flirting with confidence. Before you leave, Public Health hands you a little card. Ask, name, test, protect, enjoy. Try it like a pickup line that actually works. Ask about boundaries. Name a body part. Suggest a test. Offer a condom. Say yes, and then when it feels right. That checklist is the hottest thing in the room. You step back into the night feeling lighter. You know more words now. You have a plan. You carry a steady pulse of curiosity and responsibility. If you want to flirt smarter, learn faster, and play with less fear, start with a name, and let Public Health be your most discreet ally.